Can asserting your rights escalate a police encounter? Have you ever wondered if standing up for your rights during a police encounter could make things worse? This is a common concern for many people. Understanding how to interact with police is essential, especially in criminal and financial legal matters. When you assert your rights, it can sometimes lead to a more intense situation. However, the responsibility for any escalation typically lies with the police officers involved, not you. Knowing your rights is important, but how you express them can make a big difference. Police officers have the authority to enforce the law. They may perceive a situation as threatening or non-compliant, which could lead to escalation. However, it is crucial to remember that simply asserting your rights in a calm and respectful manner is not a provocation. During a police encounter, you have several legal rights. You can remain silent, request an attorney, and refuse consent to searches in many situations. These rights are there to protect you, but how you communicate them matters greatly. Staying calm is vital. If you show hostility or act aggressively, officers may misinterpret your behavior as resistance. This could prompt them to escalate the situation. Instead, clearly and politely stating your rights can help protect your freedoms without causing confrontation. Avoid any physical resistance or aggressive arguing. These actions are more likely to escalate the encounter and could lead to additional charges. If you feel your rights are being violated, do not react in the moment. Instead, document everything afterward, including officer names, badge numbers, and any witnesses. Seeking legal assistance is also a wise step. Recording police officers in public is generally allowed, as long as it does not interfere with their duties. This can provide evidence if your rights are violated. If you find yourself arrested, immediately state that you wish to remain silent and request an attorney before answering any questions or signing documents. A common mistake people make is reacting emotionally when asserting their rights. This can escalate the situation unnecessarily. Another mistake is not knowing your rights, which can lead to unintentional waivers of protections or actions that provoke escalation. To assert your rights properly, be informed, calm, respectful, and clear. Avoid any behavior that could be seen as obstruction or defiance. Remember, asserting your rights does not inherently escalate a police encounter. However, how you assert them can influence the interaction. The safest approach is to remain calm and respectful while clearly stating your rights. If escalation occurs despite your calm assertion, document the encounter and seek legal help afterward.